Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to teach you how to reset Windows. Now you might be having a few issues with your Windows operating system and we're trying to, you might even have a virus. Now remember, this will take away your files, so don't take this on if you want your files. This is where you go to a technician. Or, I'd just go to a technician if you've got a virus and you don't want to lose your files. But anyway, this should teach you how to reset your version of Windows 10 and fix any issues that you're having in Windows. But until then, let's roll the intro. Okay everyone, so as the second warning, don't do this if you don't want to lose your files. Go to a technician if you need to, if you need your files. But anyway, so what you want to do, it's a very simple procedure. What you do is you press the start button, press the power button, and start holding shift, so the shift key on your keyboard. And then once you're holding the shift key, press restart. And keep holding it. Should say please wait, and you should get this screen that says choose an option. When you get this screen, you can let go of the shift key, and alright, so what you want to do, under continue, you need to hit troubleshoot, so it says reset your PC or see advanced options, and then go reset this PC, and then go remove everything, and it should restart and say please wait. Alright, so it should say reset this PC. Alright, now this is where you choose just remove my files. Now, if you're doing this for the reason that you want to fully clean the drive and recycle the PC, you can click on that. But this video is just teaching you how to reset your version of Windows 10. So this is where you click just remove my files. Alright, so it should come up with this, and remember to read this. So resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, any changes made to the settings. Now this is your last opportunity to cancel it if you do not want to lose your files. After this, you are going to get resetted, and all your files will be gone. So take this with caution. But anyway, if you're ready, click reset. Now you might notice that there's a cursor here. That's because I'm running a VirtualBox, but if it's in here, it'll be fine. Now this will get time-lapse, but since it's a VirtualBox, it'll be pretty quick. But anyway, let's time-lapse that. Okay everyone, so it should start preparing. Alright, now this is what the screen you saw last time, so it'll start installing Windows. This will be pretty quick as well because it's a VirtualBox, but anyway, we might time lapse this, which depends on how long it is.
Come in, I can seat you by the fire. Listen, There's something I must confide. I know it's
Alright everyone, so it should say just a moment.
could be alright. I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight.
Alright, so since we're doing an update, oh god, sorry about that. Okay, so since we are doing an upgrade, this will go through the setup screen again, but that's alright. So I've just turned Cortana's voice off because it kind of will get in the way, but alright. Okay, so it's like setting up normal Windows. It doesn't apply the same, but just click yes when you're ready. Yes, skip it. The reason why I'm going fast with this is because it doesn't apply to you. It's always different, unless, well, it's not always different, but for a lot of people it's different, and this is something that you don't need help with, I don't think. Okay, so you should be greeted with the Windows 10 license agreement. Now just read through this if you want to, but there's only one button, and if you don't accept, you don't get Windows, so just click accept. There's another just a moment screen. Windows does love their just a moment screens. Okay, now this is where you sign in. Sadly, on 1909 you can't put in your own, sadly on 1909 you can't actually choose offline account, but in 2009 you can. So once you've done your account, you should get a please wait screen. Alright, so this is where you can create a PIN. Now, for some reason it forces you to, so you have to go create a PIN, or you can click cancel, but I'm just going to do a PIN because it's quick, and then you click OK. Your choice here, you can, when you're signed in, it'll tell you like what you've been using. Yes or no, your choice. You just have to read through what it says. Now this is for your phone, but I don't have a mobile phone number, so I can do it later. This is where you can back up your files to OneDrive, but this is a VirtualBox, so I'm just going to say only save files to this PC, but you can read through this, and if you want to, click next, or only save files to this PC. So it's basically the same as installing Windows 10. It is actually, because you've reinstalled Windows 10. It's a bit like when you first boot up your a laptop, but this is where you can go, I have a product key, try it for free, or no thanks, but it's bloat, so I'm going to go no thanks. This is Cortana. You can read this, but I'm going to go decline because it's a VirtualBox. And you can look at this. So, I'll get rid of this, if this, you can ink and type, but, you know, all of this can go. Your choice though, read through it all, make sure. Alright, so Cortana will tell you that they're almost done, and it should start saying, hi, we've got some updates for your PC, or something like that. This is what I mean. That's, yeah, that's it. This is a pretty quick procedure, depending on what computer you have, but it's quick enough anyway, so. Should say almost there. And there we go. I'll quickly fix the resolution. But, oh, well, it did itself. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I helped you out. Hopefully, you are following my instructions. Like, no one wants to lose files, but no one wants a PC that's got any malware or virus. So, hopefully I helped you out there. Now, check out my other video up in the cards on how to install Windows 10 if you need to do that. Hopefully you find my videos helpful. Hopefully you consider subscribing to the channel. But anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.